Is your fan remote not working? The remote batteries may not be adequately charged or it is not paired properly. Now follow these simple steps to troubleshoot your issue. 1. Check your remote with fresh batteries and make sure they're placed correctly, with the positive and negative ends aligned. 2. Now ensure your fan is powered on. Flip the main switch to the on position. Listen closely. You should hear a single beep confirming it's on. Important to note that you have 10 seconds to complete the pairing process. 3. Grab the remote and press off button followed by 1 button. If the pairing is successful, you will hear 2 quick beeps from the fan. This confirms that your remote is now paired. If you don't hear the 2 beeps, don't worry. Simply turn off the fan using the main switch, wait a few seconds, and then repeat these steps from the beginning. If the problem still persists after these steps, please reach out to customer support for further assistance, troubleshooting tips, or to book a service appointment. Always prioritize safety when handling electrical appliances. If you're unsure about any step, please consult a professional.